Leyva Beauty products.
Alright guys, we're gonna try these lashes on. All I did, I obviously opened the package, but after that I just used a little bit of the Anastasia, pretty beat up, if you know you know, and then I just used this little brush. But anyways, so I also got some eyeliners from Temu, and I already did an unboxing for that on my last video. But basically what we want to do is use one of these eyeliners. I'm so mad, you guys. I did my whole face, my whole tutorial and wasn't even recording. But anyways, this eyeliner, it's a little streaky, but that's not from Leyva Beauty. That is actually from Temu. There's a lot of hits and misses, and like I mentioned, this is, I already unboxed this and opened it, whatever, on my last video. And but what I have on for the Leyva Beauty is literally her lashes, just her lashes, and she also has her eyeliner, her glue, lash glue, and her lipstick. And this is a matte lipstick. I wanted this other brown one that she had too, but she sold out like this, you guys. But yeah, she's super nice, she's super sweet. I really enjoyed her live, and I really enjoyed talking with her and stuff. So I ended up ordering from her, first time ever, just because we have the same last name, and we married into the last name. So yeah guys, sorry, I wanted to do a different type of video. I wanted to do the whole process, and my stupid camera decided not to. But at least you guys get an idea of it. So yeah.